Gathered here 5 knives, the totally on the next level. This is top end knives for like collectors. I wouldn't use them every day because it's almost like investments. I mean, some people will open them up and use them. Like this one is the most expensive in this little lot right here. This one is like around $1,400 knife. Depends where you buy it. This is Marfione custom knives. Socom Elite and mirror polish. I never actually had to handle a mirror polish knife, so let's see what this thing is all about. Also I got right here Hobart knives, another one. This is JHK Redford and all that good stuff about it. This one right here is the Russian. Ooh, I love the way it opens. We'll look at it a little bit closer. I didn't get the box for it. I'm supposed to pick it up. I got it at a knife store. Oh, this is so smooth. That's why I wanted to show it to you guys. You see how it's like closes so easily. We'll look at it close up. This is the first time I've seen this knife. Looks like I had at somebody's collection for a while. A little bit dusty. Ziba, something like that. And this one is a Lionsteel. Okay, let's start with the most expensive first. Look at that packaging. I love that little patch. So there's signatures everywhere. There's everything about it. Looks like date of birth 10/2017. Serial number is 19. So that's limited edition. Knives. I'm gonna put that on the side. There's a little handle to carry it. Looks like you could put it on the belt buckle or whatever. Maybe on the backpack. So you open that. So you got right here a little holder. And this is a microfiber holder, so you can actually clean the knife with that holder. So boom, there you go. Beautiful. That's what it looks like in the back right here. And you see this beautiful logo. It is Microtech knives, but it's like limited edition custom knife. And Marfione Socom Elite. And it says usually right here the date when it was made, 10/27. Nice, beautiful, tight pocket clip. Not reversible, only on one side. So there's two thumb studs, and as you can see it's a little bit cold, so it's fogging up a little bit. This right here, that on top is polished, mirror polished. So let's open it, see what it's about. Check this out. The reason why I'm holding gloves, because whenever you open it, you usually slide through this part of a knife and you would put some fingerprints on it. So I don't want to do that. Check this out. You can literally see a reflection of the camera of that knife. That's beautiful. Look at that light reflecting. There's my face. Wow. So nice. And also this blade is razor sharp. It's insanely nice blade. So to close it, I'll be careful. It is quite tight. As you can see, it flies out good. That's an amazing, beautiful knife. Okay, let's see what else we have. I showed you one whole box knife before. It was amazing. So there's a lot of note about it. Like I think usually they write it's not just a trophy knife. It's actually a tool that you can use. They build them to be used, not like a collection trophy. Like they say, welcome to use it, pretty much. But a lot of people buy the knives as investment, have a little collection, like open it up out of the box, play with them, look at them like it's a piece of art. But at the same time, they build so well. It is like a piece of art, but actual tool. Check out that blade. It's so cool. It just kind of goes from that angle down. It's just so unique. I know. It reminds me maybe of like a sword, Japanese sword of some sort. Nice. So smooth. Okay, let's try to close it with one hand. I love that handle right here. Beautiful. There's markings on it. And then there's a logo. little oxide here, Hobart logo. Pretty soft clip. I don't know, it depends what you prefer, everybody's different. But yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's go check out the other one. Okay, this one is pretty unique. This is like a matchbox box. Open it up and check this out. You have everything inside this block of wood. You have right here like some kind of screwdriver keychain, so to take it apart and clean it. And they give you extra screws and other parts. That's pretty interesting. It fits in there really tight. Check this out. Ugh, there you go. Beautiful. There's a little hole for the clip too. Never heard about this knife, so this is like first impression. So there's a Damascus steel. Oop. Quite small. There you go. Give a little help over here. So there you go. Lionsteel, Italy. So this is Italy made knife. Beautiful. Check this out. You could see Damascus steel at that edge as well. Pretty interesting. Some people like Damascus steel, some don't, but I think most do. It doesn't really flicker all the way out. Again, that's something the difference with this knife over here. Maybe it's just bigger. Do you see that? I don't even have to try. Let's just do it a little bit. You see how smooth that is? This is the Russian made knife. This is my second Russian made knife holding. That is a custom knife. That's beautiful. This one's $650 knife. But yeah, so I wish this one would open a little bit easier, smoother, but very popular knife as well. Look at that there, handle design. Also looks like a reversible clip. You see there's little holes for it, so you can reverse it for left hand, I guess. If I don't do this motion, it doesn't really fly out all the way. You see? But I thought the packaging was so cool, that's why I kind of had to get it, to show you some of the coolest packaging out there, with a little bit of like parts and screws and screwdrivers. That's pretty awesome. Okay, and the last one, I probably will be carrying this one. This is a blue carbon fiber, I guess. Look at the screws, not all the way through. That's kind of unique. So probably could use any screwdriver, but carefully without scratching up the screws, because you devaluate the knife. Do you see how fast they fly out? I don't even have to try. Okay, right now I'm gonna try to do it slowly. Do you see it? It's so smooth. Wow. There's like stopper right here. This is just amazing. Love that sword looking clip, really tight. This is Shergov M390. I really love the big blade knives. Do you see that? I gotta get more of this one, Shergov knives. That's beautiful. Check this out. It's just so smooth, I can't believe it. Yeah, big knife, camping and all sorts of things, because it looks like a kitchen knife, like a straight. I like it. I don't know why, but it's just so smooth. The second I picked it up and did one of this and closed it, I was like, wrap it up, I'm buying it. So I walked out from the store with this knife. So yeah, let me know in comments below what do you think about these Russian knives. I definitely have to do more reviews on them. And the last one, Michael Ziba. I took off one glove because I think we only need one. Very popular knife. This is around $1,000 on eBay, even in the stores. So yeah, pretty nice. Beautiful. Some kind of like a different color wash handle. There's a clip. And look at that little skull. I just noticed it. Pretty awesome. And whole bunch of skulls right here. So a piece of art right here for sure. But at the same time, very mean looking. Look at that. Beautiful blade. Like a mini sword in a sense. So this is really cool. And it's super smooth. Not as smooth as the Russian one. Ooh, yeah, open all the way. This is why I like the Russian one so much better. Because like there is no effort. This is much bigger round handle. I know, kind of big fan of these handles. A lot more. Smooth as well. Beautiful blade. I mean, to each their own. I think Russian is just special for me. But yeah, somebody might like this one better. There is a logo and I think it says Night Knives. So yeah, let me know in comments below which knife is your favorite. You know, I love this one so much, but it's kind of hard to open it and close it. And as you can see, it's polished mirror. You really have to clean it all the time. It's like trophy knife. Versus this one, so far is my favorite out of all three of them, the Russian one. Whole back is pretty awesome, but the other one that I showed you a long time ago is a little bit more in my likings, but this one is beautiful as well. So out of all of these ones, I think this is my favorite. And I honestly, like, these two is the best. Then this one, then that one. But yeah, like them all. Pretty nice addition to anyone's collection. This is for sure next level knives out there.